Hey, crew. A lot has happened since landing. We have all been working hard to take care of business. As you all have been working on the energy system, I have been exploring Mars's geology. I was able to grab many samples and package them up into our rocket. It's time to bring home all of these samples and get them analyzed. The trip should not be too long. This time we are burning all the fuel to get back to Earth ASAP. During our mission back, your goal is to make sure that mission control and the crew are constantly aware of the conditions on board our ship. It is very important that you and your teammates keep in mind the potentially dangerous conditions. Your analysis of the situation and your recommendation to mission control will help keep the crew safe. Your mission directives are speed, accuracy, and to maintain clear communications. You and your team members will receive data every 5 to 6 minutes throughout the mission. Work as quickly as possible and complete each assignment in the given time. Keep up with the work. 5 minutes is not very long. During the 5 minutes between data releases, each team must receive and record data from the computer, process data. This includes doing math calculations, completing tables, and finishing graphs. Analyze data to predict the future. Create a team report that suggests ways the astronauts can avoid danger. Deliver the team report to the communications team. Inaccurate data or calculations could lead to a disaster on the space station. It is critical that each team strive for accuracy. As you and your team members process each new set of data, the numbers and graphs will begin to tell a story. The most important job your team has is to predict what might happen to the astronauts if conditions grow worse. With accurate information, the astronauts and mission control can take steps to avoid problems. In order to be accurate, each team must carefully copy the data from the computer onto their data tables. Double-check that you have written the numbers in the correct columns. Complete all mathematical calculations carefully, either with or without a calculator. Check your work. Write the answers in the correct columns. Transfer the data from the table to the graph. Complete your reports for the communications team. Clear communications comes from accurate information and careful thinking. As your team creates each report, it must include accurate data and a recommended action plan for the astronauts. Good recommendations are based upon facts and what you have learned about the dangers. You will want to help give your representative to the crisis management team the best reports possible. To ensure clear communications, make sure that all calculations are complete, accurate, and carefully recorded in your table. Check your writing. Can everybody else read it? Submit your report to your crisis management team representative. All team members should conduct a continuous discussion regarding the team's assignment and the situation on the space station. Keep up the good work throughout the mission.